This is March 6th, and I just love to go out and walk around early in the spring and look at the first plants to come up out of the ground. So here we are. These are tulips and daffodils. I've got mystery lilies growing in here too, which you can't tell from the daffodils. They just bloom at different times. Yeah, look at those down in there. There's a lot of poppies here. These are poppies right here. Poppies are annuals, but they reseed themselves every year. They start growing late in the summer, and then they seem to die back in the winter, then come back in the spring. They bloom early in the year, so they've reseeded themselves all over in here. These here are hardy geraniums right there. There's some more tulips. Here is snowdrops, I think they're called. This is going to be the first thing to bloom. Look at that. Look at here. Here's some crocuses just coming up. So this is March 6th. We are here in Zone 5, Illinois. Here's some tulips right there. There's more over here. There's some. I quit walking on them. These are irises. There's some more tulips right there. There's some more tulips coming up. This is a flowering crab, but it hasn't leafed out yet at all. Here's a bunch more tulips. Daffodils. Looks like daffodils. There's some tulips right there. Some poppies right there. There's a bunch of daffodils in there. I have mystery lilies in here too, but you can't tell the difference. Mystery lilies bloom in the fall or late in the summer. They have green growth. It looks just like daffodils that comes up, but then it dies back. and then the bloom just pops up out of nowhere without any leaves. So that's kind of what they're called, mystery lilies or naked ladies. Oh, they have a lot of names. Okay, so that's what's blooming in my garden, what's growing in my garden right now on March 6th. The only thing that's blooming so far are these snowdrops, and here is the first crocuses to bloom right here. We had an awful lot of rain this morning, so if you like this video about the first things to bloom in my garden, subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out and costs absolutely nothing. So here is another snowdrop blooming I never saw right here. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.